Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 6 differences between a class method, static method, and an instance method in Python. Let's start by looking at an example. Here I'm defining a class called MySQL and using the special __init___ method to initialize 3 variables. On line 10, I'm specifying an alternate constructor which will allow construction of a new object by only specifying 2 parameters. Within the method, I'm using the split function to split the full name into first and last names. On line 19, I'm defining a utility method to check whether the number of tables is valid or not. On line 27, I'm defining an instance method to print the first name of the DB owner. Now let's get into the differences. A class method is tied to the class and CLS is the first argument. A class method can modify class state and it's usually used to create factory methods or alternative constructors. This type of method can access class variables and @class method decorator is used to declare them. A static method, on the other hand, is also tied to the class, but no CLS or self keyword is required as the first argument. A static method cannot modify class or object state, and it's usually used to create utility methods. This type of method cannot access class or instance variables either. @static method decorator is used to declare them. Let's look at an instance method. An instance method is tied to the object and self is the first argument. This type of method can modify object state and it's usually used to perform set of actions on the instance variables. You can access both class and instance variables and no decorator is required to declare them. On line 31, I'm calling the static method validate number of tables to verify if 5 is a valid number or not. On the next line, I'm creating a brand new object called db1 where I'm passing the number of tables, first name, and the last name. On line 33, I'm calling the instance method to print the first name of the DB owner. On line 34, I'm calling the alternate constructor to create a new db2 object. On the last line, I'm printing the first name of the DB owner again, but this time for the db2 object. Now watch what happens if I try to pass a negative value to the static method called validate number of tables. I get a value error exception as expected. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.